Yeah, abandoned Spanish villa. Really old, isn't it? The homeless people sleeping out up the old metal bars on the windows. Wicked, isn't it? Look where it sits. Look, more of it here, look. Not just one room. Quite abandoned. Another room. Window over there with the trees going through. Rubbish. Like it always is. Got to watch it though around here. There's wild boar. Oh, it's some old. Got more of it here. Yeah. Old abandoned Spanish villa. There's loads of them in Spain. Right, get over here. Got the blue across there. Cocoa trees. Huh? I love a little place. Mountains up there, look. Abandoned little Spanish villa. Urban adventures. Go here. Got to watch for wild boar. Well, there used to be there years ago. There's little plants. Down here. Look at that view. What a lovely little place. Another abandoned one over there. Look. Yeah. You look at that way. The view over there. Huh? What a quirky little villa. Apparently there's going to be a road to go through here soon. God knows where that's going. Huh? What a lovely little place. You look into the distance there's another abandoned villa. You look closely. Anyway, there you go. Urban adventures. Abandoned Spanish villa. There you go. What a view. Huh? Every morning when you wake up. Thank you. Bye.